Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Sam. I'm an elopement and intimate wedding photographer, and this is Rick. He is a videographer, and we are in Alaska. We already have mountains literally everywhere. I'm gonna bring you all along on my week trip in Alaska with this crazy dude. But if you're interested, you can see all more behind the scenes and everything on my Instagram right over here. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit.
First moose.
Okay, long story short, we were still driving to Homer. We stopped and did some drone shots, put them there. And we're bopping, and there are lupins everywhere. They're all over on the side of the road. Like, they're my favorite flower, and they're all over.
Here's a bunch right here. Tap.
Oh my god, they're right there! We got them.
I don't want to be behind.
So today is Kylie and Derek's elopement, and some of the clips you saw yesterday was when we took our little trip to Homer. I didn't film too much yesterday, but today you're gonna see probably a lot of montages and clips from their elopement. So we just got here to Homer, and I'm so excited. We're literally gonna be lifting up in a helicopter and going back over there, going in the sky, like it's gonna be so good. If you guys haven't already, you can click the subscribe button and the like button. It really will help, and to grow this platform and family. It's just gonna be so much fun, and Alaska is insane. I can't wait to come back. In the next few clips, you are gonna see a bunch of their elopement. Their photos will eventually be on my Instagram, so stay on the look for that. That's gonna be you, dude! Alright guys, we just finished the first location. They're hiking right down there, but I'm really so excited. I literally can't wait.
Nights when the stars are falling, I'm not your knight in shining, but I still care for you the same. Days when the last train's calling, I'm not your silver lining. Baby, some things will never change.
yesterday. From those clips, that was us right over there. And now we're on the other side, and it's literally stunning. Like, so blue.
Sam is really good at driving a four-wheeler. I mean, she can
Yeah.
take it.
We just were
I'm really
adventuring. So, if you need a crazy four-wheeler driver, I got you. You guys, they literally made us food over the campfire. I love this. Like, you guys need to come to Alaska. Like, just do it. Just do it. All right, guys, so we are just about to leave this amazing glacier, and I ran into Elise, right?
Yeah.
Elise from Virginia. And so this is her. Say hello.
Hi.
She is a growing wedding videographer. So it's kind of funny, but we were just flying her drone around. So you're gonna see some clips from that. But we'll see you at the end of this. So
See ya.
bye. You got it.
Here we are about to take off. Still
We're
alive.
going.
Yep, leaving Glacier. Say goodbye, Glacier.
Bye.
Rockstar. Stay alive. Go fast.
Yep. We just got back from the ATV ride, and I am like, first off, I'm dead. That was like a ton of work, and it was so much fun. That was two. So two, it was a ton of fun. It was an awesome experience. If you guys are looking to do something like this, do Alaska backcountry outdoor tours. They are amazing. They're in Palmer, Alaska, and I highly recommend them. They, one, have amazing staff who are super sweet and really care about your safety, and two, just want to have a ton of fun. It was an amazing experience, and even though I went on that glacier yesterday, this was a totally different experience, and I 100% would do it again. Seriously. So, I just got back, but sorry if it was a little choppy. There's just like a lot of random spots. So currently I'm covered in dust, head to toe, and we're gonna go get some food and head back. Hey everybody, so a few hours have passed and we are ending the night at sunset at a like plane landing and takeoff, which is so cool. Like they literally come like right here. Today has been amazing and such a break, but I can't wait to go back and just chill. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey you guys, it's the next day and we're doing a bunch of photo shoots. I apologize you guys, this is the most sporadic vlog ever. We are just finishing at the Hatcher Pass Summit late. I'm currently hiking back. Ooh, it is gorgeous out. Like when I say gorgeous, I can't even explain to you guys. If you're from Alaska, you can book me as your photographer. I'm just saying. That's the gist for the day. We're doing photo shoots, hanging out with some photographer friends. Ooh, enjoy all the behind the scenes, you guys. This is amazing. I will see you in a little bit.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new.
Donna at the work.
Baby,
Are you
I'm
having fun?
outside.
She's
Been
like,
thinking
yes.
much all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Been thinking much all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
Are you kidding me? The verdict is you got a shot.
Oh, you doing video?
Yeah, she got the amazing shot. I got the shot. They're just amazing. Look how cute they are just walking that way. You guys aren't ready to see this magic. You guys hit her up on Instagram. I'll put her code right over her face, right there. And then you can hit Donna and Rick up at these two codes. You just go check them out. Ow!
I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside. Been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
This is the reality of when your shoots go perfectly. Everyone's looking at the camera.
and me. Only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
Okay, so it's towards the end of the day and I am just finishing up some work and honestly reminiscing and how beautiful everything just was. Like, you're gonna see so much, like you probably already saw it, but you're gonna see so much more, even though there's even gonna be more shoots coming up. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day and I am just currently walking around downtown Anchorage. I got my haul of a bunch of things that I really wanted to bring home and remember from the trip, but today we are just chilling. We're gonna figure out a plan as the day goes on, but tonight I do have a photo shoot. In the meantime, I am just gonna be walking around and chilling around Anchorage. I will see you guys in a little bit.
Crazy.
All right, girl, do your best Janice impression.
Things life throws at you.
How'd you do?
I never knew I was so
I think you did
safe
great.
in your arms. You're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love. And no amount of distance can change how I'm feeling, 'cause I know this is real. I'm so happy that
Hey guys, so I just finished the shoot and I am with Photobus Alaska with us a cute VW bus, and if you guys are interested in using it for your shoots, weddings, everything, what else can they use it for?
Weddings, corporate, you know,
Literally anything, you guys. You can use it. I'll put their handle right above his head, right there.
Picnics, little dates.
Yep, everything. It's so cute. So you're gonna see all the clips that they took and all the photos. So go shout them out and go love on their account. All right, guys, and this is Stephanie and John, and they just modeled in the shoot. It was like so much fun. How much fun did you have? So much fun.
2 thumbs up.
We had a ton of fun, and again, we played with the bus over there. They're just the cutest people ever, and if you need somebody to model in your shoots in Alaska, hit them up. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day, and today I have a whole excursion at Girdwood, which is going to be literally so beautiful. If you haven't been to Girdwood, they have a ski resort. They have a little town. It is so gorgeous, and everyone goes there to ski. So that's what I just learned when I was here, that Girdwood is the place to go if you're going to go ski in Alaska. But today I have a elopement there, and I literally can't wait. If you want to see all of that elopement behind the scenes, I'm actually making a separate video, which I'll tag up here once it's made. It might be out before this video or after, haven't decided yet. But if you want to see that whole elopement, you can click that other video. Other than that, I think I'm going to be pretty much ending this vlog. It has been an excursion, you guys, and I can't wait to look back on this video and be like, yeah, I was in freaking Alaska and I did that. I am so thankful for this trip. I'm so thankful for all the things that I was able to do, and I can't wait for the rest of the day. If you guys are interested to seeing more of my adventures, you can click the subscribe button and the like button. It really, really helps. And if you want to hit me up on Instagram, this is my handle. If you want to go say hello or DM me, that is where you can message me. Yeah, that's the end of the vlog. I will see you guys next time.